Hi there. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to create a new account, change the account type, update the password, and delete user accounts in Windows safely. This way, you can share your computer with others without compromising your information or your PC's security. How to create a new user account. Click on the Start menu and select the Settings icon, the gear. Go to the Account section and then choose Other Users. Click Add Account. The system will ask if you want to add a Microsoft account or a local account. For a local account, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a name for the new account and a password twice. Also set the security questions required by Windows. Click Next, and the account will be created. Now, to log into the account you just created, go to the Start menu. Click your current username and sign out. Then, select the new account from the login screen, enter the password, and press Enter. Wait for Windows to finish setting up the new desktop. And that's it. Your new user account is ready. How to change an account type: Standard or Administrator. To change the type of account you created, log back into the original account, the one that was already set up. Open the Start menu. Go to Settings, Accounts, Other Users, and you'll see all the accounts created. Click on the account you want to change and select Change Account Type. A window will pop up where you can choose between Standard User, Limited, or Administrator with full permissions. Select the one you want and click OK. How to change a user account password. Go to the Start menu, open Settings, and in the Accounts section, select Sign In Options. Under Password, click Add or Change. Enter the current password, then type the new password. Confirm it, and save the changes. How to safely delete a user account. Go back to the Start menu, then Settings, Accounts, and Other Users. Click on the account you want to delete and select Remove. A warning will appear letting you know that all data associated with that account, documents, desktop, downloads, and so on, will be deleted. If you're sure, click Delete Account and Data to finish. Security tips. Don't delete accounts before backing up important information. Use standard accounts for everyday users. Reserve administrator accounts only for installs or important changes. Keep your password and recovery info up to date. And that's it. Now you know how to manage user accounts in Windows easily, and safely. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.